Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo X in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl with Altitude Appearance Package, Jeep Tint Sunscreen Glass, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10828A.